Anyone who knows me knows I'm not exactly easily excited by slick websites, gimmicks, or unnecessary tech solutions. I honestly sometimes feel that the new technology often either adds more work or more cost to my life. Well, what I saw unveiled at Real Rise's 2025 event wasn't a gimmick. I sincerely think this is going to give real broker agents an insane competitive advantage at no extra cost to us. If you look over here, this is the website that is available right now at heyleo.com. You can see that you can either use the text or the chat function. I'm going to select the 3-bedroom townhomes near schools anyway, just to try this out. I'm going to use the text function here, and I'm going to search up Langley. Let's see what happens. Now it's giving me the search results for the city of Langley. So I'm going to ask Leo for the township because I didn't quite understand the difference between the two. And there's a lot. So I'm going to ask for a price range. You're going to notice that there are a mix of homes here, not just townhomes. This is because it's, again, still in beta. So still trying to figure out everything. The more we feed it, the more it learns. Okay, now you might be saying, okay, slick website, but it's still just a website. And I completely agree. This isn't what we're talking about. What I want to show you next is what's going to be rolled out over the next few months. All right, so first, all agents are going to be able to set up their own personalized Hey Leo site. My understanding is that we'll eventually be able to do a top level domain, but for now, it's set up as a subdomain. You don't have to pick your own name. Pritesh here is using his name in this example, but it can be a team name or something else that represents your business. Then, free of charge, we will be able to select a dedicated local phone number with your preferred area code.
Hey, I'm Leo, your AI concierge. This is the voice your clients will experience when they interact with me.
Hey, I'm Leo, your AI concierge. This is the voice your clients will experience when they interact with me.
Next, we're going to be able to select the voice that our AI assistant will use, like you do with Siri or anything else. Or if you don't like those, you can actually create the AI bot to sound like your voice. You'll just read this phrase and your AI agent will sound like you. Unfortunately, I don't yet have a demo of this here. So now that we're set up, we have this phone number and URL that our clients or a consumer can directly chat with. You can connect this phone number to your website, your signs, open house sheets, whatever you want. By now you might be able to see how using the system might work for your business. But let's take a deeper look at some specific examples. Here's a sample real estate sign with a QR code that will lead to your Hey Leo website landing page for that particular listing, where they will get all of the listing details, and you'll be able to schedule a showing while interacting with the AI agent. By itself, again, this is not too different than what a lot of us already have access to. Now let's see how this will work when your client or consumer interfaces with your AI agent. Imagine this lead that came off a sign or an open house or from online campaign.
Hi Leo, I'm looking to move to the Tampa Bay area.
All right, got it. And who's going to be living in the home with you?
Yeah, it's going to be my wife, our 3 kids, and me.
How old are the kids?
The kids are 2, 4, and 5.
What type of home are you envisioning? Like a single family house, a condo, or a townhome?
A single family house would be great. We need the space. At least 4 bedrooms and at least 2 bathrooms.
Are there any deal breakers for you that would make a home a no-go?
Let's see, definitely near the freeway. Yeah, we need some peace and quiet, you know? And we've got a pool now, so it'd be awesome to find one with a nice pool too, but nothing huge.
Is there a price range?
Let's try something below $750.
Okay, let me find some options.
You'll notice throughout this process that the AI agent is making notes, highlighting tags throughout this real-time conversation. What it's doing is creating a profile for this customer. I'll show you a bit more about that later.
I found about 54 single-family homes in the Tampa Bay area that have 4 bedrooms.
the one in Kathleen Street?
That one matches all your boxes. It even has a game room for your kids. Do you like it?
Actually, show me homes up to $1 million. Can you please show me some schools in the area?
Schools like West Chase Elementary or Bryant Elementary are highly rated in the area. Both have 10 out of 10 ratings and offer programs starting with pre-kindergarten.
This is really a personal home search concierge service. It's intuitive, it's voice activated, it's a beautiful user-friendly design.
Okay, Leo, I really like the house on Kathleen Street. Can I schedule a tour?
When are you free to see the house on Kathleen Street?
I'm available next Friday at 3 p.m.
Done. Your agent will reach out to confirm the time. I'm assuming you will need a mortgage. Have you been pre-approved yet? Okay, I just sent you an email to start your pre-approval application.
So in the US, Real Broker has their own mortgage service called One Real Mortgage. They also have One Real Title, but due to our different laws and the way that we structure things in Canada, we can't yet offer this. But Pritesh and Tamir have said that the platform will be connected to third-party vendors, and we will be able to add our own mortgage vendors into our individualist site. All right, so we've got this information that the client or consumer has given our AI agent, and they've made a request to see the home. What now? Real has developed its own proprietary CRM, but they're calling it an AIRM. The AI agent is automatically putting in all this information into the platform. You can see here that it is storing not only the details of the buyer preferences that they've said, but also they're developing a lifestyle personality profile, with including their traits and their mortgage status. This is more than just a CRM. You can have thousands of people interacting with your AI agent at the same time, collecting an infinite amount of data and helping them match their home at a scale that would be impossible for a single agent. All these conversations are going to be stored in a new Hey Leo portal in Real's proprietary Reason platform that we already do all of our transaction management and have access to Real Wallet and our wealth plan, our Real signature, and everything else. So an agent can just jump in at any time, or you can wait until you have an urgent alert from Leo to interact. The company has said that when Leo has a doubt in a consumer request, it'll be pushed to alert the agent. There's one more thing. In addition to Real agents getting all this stuff for free, we're actually going to get paid to use it. This is pretty crazy. Now, it sounds like this part won't be rolled out until Q3 of 2026. And we aren't too sure if it's going to be for Canadian agents too. The reason for that is because it seems to be connected to One Real Mortgage and One Real Title. But we'll see. Overall, I'm just extremely impressed with this whole platform, and I can't wait to see how it evolves over time. If you have any questions about Hey Leo or any of Real's tech offerings, feel free to give me a shout. I don't always have all the answers yet, but I'm always happy to do my best to find out for you.